Doogee S89 Pro. Doogee S89 Pro has a 6.3 inches display with a full HD resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and 21 by 9 aspect ratio and 600 nits of peak brightness. The smartphone is powered by a MediaTek P90 octa-core processor manufactured using a 12nm process technology with 2 Arm Cortex-A75 cores with peak speeds of 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked with 2 GHz. All this paired with PowerVR GM 9446 graphic processing unit. The S89 Pro is having a massive 12,000 mAh enormous battery up to 5 days of active use, and it supports 65-watt ultra-fast charging and also supports wireless charging. 12,000 mAh battery can be charged from 0% to 100% in only 2 hours. The S89 Pro stands out with its glowing Doogee eye. A message notification or incoming call illuminates the eyes. When synced with music, it displays different predetermined colorful patterns. The S89 Pro allows you to personalize the light colors, display order, and display speed. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor enhances the design while instantly and conveniently unlocking the S89 Pro for convenient, one-handed operation outdoors. The S89 Pro is already durable, but it also comes with a case that has reinforced edges, making it virtually indestructible. And it just so happens that doing so takes the whole appearance to an entirely new degree of sophistication. Runs Android 12 OS out of the box with a newly rethought user interface from shapes, light, and motion while allowing you greater freedom of personalization. The OS feels more alive, dynamic, and personal. This phone comes in 2 colors, Classic Black and Volcano Orange. It comes with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. The S89 Pro has a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. There's also a 20-megapixel Sony IMX350 enhanced night vision camera, an 8-megapixel wide-angle with Samsung S5K4H7 sensor and macro camera with 130-degree field of view. The front camera is a 16-megapixel front-facing Samsung camera with ISOCELL technology. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.